Hey there, I'm Zach with FTx. If you still need to accept paper checks and need some level of control, we can help you with that. Let's take a look. So I realize paper checks are pretty much obsolete, and electronic checks, while they're handy, they can be quite expensive. With this in mind, we've created check verification in the FTx system. So check verification can be a whitelist or a blacklist, meaning that it can be a list of customers to accept checks from or a list of customers to not accept checks from. So these are going to be based on an identifier. And that would be a license number or account number. And once enabled, the cashier is prompted to enter this identifier, the license number or account number, and the system will check. If they're on the white list, the check will go through. If they're on the black list, the system will not accept the check. So if you're taking paper checks, make sure to turn on check verification. That's it for this FTx Fact. Thanks for stopping by.